We've got Leela. Hi, Leela.
Hi.
Welcome to our humble clinic. This is your second visit. First visit we came through to get you figure out what the trouble was, and second visit was to get this done for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. How long you had this little bump on your left shoulder?
I think it's been like a couple of months.
A couple of months. It kind of popped up and it never drained, right?
No.
Okay. All right. So I'm just putting a little betadine on. So we're sterilizing the area. So we're going to take this out for you, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're hoping for. And you're okay if we video the procedure as long as we don't video your personal secret identity, right?
Yes.
That's right, because she's a bad woman.
You need this first.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I can't just,
No.
Are you sure?
Positive.
All right, whatever. Well, Gumby says that we have to anesthetize this, which I think is just an annoying step in the process. She's going to spray a little cold spray on you, then you're going to feel a little shot, okay?
Okay.
And what's she going to feel, Gumby Jean?
Stick, sting, and a burn.
Stick, sting, and a burn it is.
Although I can't say it as good as Gonzo.
You say
We
just
miss you,
fine.
Gonzo.
We do miss Prego Gonzo.